Finance Secretary of Campaign for Just and Fair Delimitation, Sunil Karam, has warned that if the government conducts forced census, Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand will be the last Indigenous Chief Minister of Manipur. Sunil Karam was speaking during a public meeting on No NRC, No Census, which was jointly organized by JFD, Hairok Apunba Club and Hairok Apunba Mairapai Bilub at Hairok Bazaar today. Speaking further, he highlighted the negative impact and demographic challenges on Manipur if census is conducted forcefully at this juncture without a prior identification of illegal immigrants in the state. Sunil Karam urged the authorities to stop detaining activists and filing FIRs against those fighting for public welfare. He stated that current hardships stem from indigenous leaders failing to take timely action. He noted that the public has long demanded an updated National Register of Citizens (NRC) before any census takes place. Although public protests forced the partial rollback of census operations in valley areas, Sunil Karam affirmed that the agitation will continue until all demands are met.
Hai bau se masih abat tetapi ba si puna makse ai koi puna samjale ba yong ji direction khang mana ni na ki samjage adu natra ga di koi masih marta problem ni aduna sukung ba yong ji marak sida le puna marak marta na kon hoji samjali ji kana kana adu jadi hoji mayam puna monam ni pai ga ngang le se masih kana kana census nikop se hek thi utar di kamai to behar ka na Manipur, my last Minister of Manipur, Khemchand,